Hey everyone! Did you know that over 60% of people have turned thrift store finds into stunning home decor? Crazy, right? So, have you ever transformed something old into something new? If you have, drop a comment below. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of thrift store DIYs. If you're looking to transform your space without breaking the bank, then stick around because I'm going to show you how easy and affordable it can be to breathe new life into old treasures. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about a common challenge we all face, finding unique home decor on a budget. It can be tough, right? You walk into a store, and everything looks the same and expensive. But that's where thrift stores come in. They're a treasure trove waiting to be explored. You can find everything from vintage furniture to quirky little knickknacks. The best part? Each item has a story, and with a little creativity, you can turn those finds into personalized pieces that reflect your style. So, let's embrace the challenge of thrift shopping and see what amazing transformations we can create together. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into it. I've picked out 5 fantastic thrift store items that we're going to turn into stunning DIY projects. First up, we have an old wooden chair that definitely needs some love. We'll be giving it a fresh coat of paint and adding some fun cushions. Next, a plain glass vase that we can jazz up by wrapping it in twine and adding some dried flowers. Third, we have a vintage picture frame that will turn into a chic memo board by adding some fabric and clips. Fourth on the list is a simple wooden shelf that we'll refinish and paint to match your decor. Finally, a basic lamp that will give a pop of color with some spray paint and a cool new shade. For each project, I'll walk you through the materials you'll need and the creative process step by step. Let's get crafty. Climax/key moment. Now, let's take a closer look at the transformation of that old wooden chair. Here's the before shot. It was a drab, dull piece that didn't quite fit in. But after a fresh coat of bright blue paint, some new cushions, and a few finishing touches, here's the after. Show before and after shots. Isn't that incredible? Just look at how much character it adds to the room. This is proof that with a little creativity, you can make a huge impact in your space. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we've transformed 5 thrift store items: the wooden chair, the glass vase, the picture frame memo board, the wooden shelf, and the colorful lamp. Each project is not only easy but also a fun way to personalize your home with unique finds. Remember, thrift store DIYs allow you to showcase your creativity and style without spending a fortune. I'd love to hear from you. Which DIY project was your favorite? Have you done any thrift store transformations of your own? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative ideas and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy thrifting!